Time for another DIY Network Extra Yardage Quick Tip.
I'm Billy Darian, and I've got a great way to convert your old driveway into a premium basketball court.
There are many ways to mark the lines for a basketball court, but the easiest way is with a stencil kit. Start by covering the driveway with a durable, non-skid paint. Mark out the center point of the basket, then lay out the key piece. Everything else locks into place to form regulation lines. Use masking tape to keep them aligned. Next, using the cardboard box as a paint shield, spray paint the lines on the stencil. It may take more than one coat to get a good line, so don't rush. Once that is done, pull up the stencil, bolt down the backboard, and your driveway's ready for the big league.
Make sure to keep your stencils in a safe place, because even with light use, your basketball court will need an occasional touch-up.
For all things home improvement, go to DIYNetwork.com 24/7.